Living with a stoma is a significant life change, but it doesn't have to limit your confidence or your daily activities. For women, mastering stoma care is about creating a routine that feels secure, discreet, and empowering. A perfect fit is the foundation of effective stoma care. Always use a stoma measuring guide with each pouch change. The opening should fit snugly around the stoma, leaving a protective gap of no more than 1/8 inch. Choose between one-piece and two-piece systems. One piece is quick and easy, while two-piece allows changing bags without removing the barrier. Use accessories like barrier rings, paste, and ostomy belts to enhance security and comfort. Clean the skin around your stoma with warm water and a soft, dry cloth. Avoid soaps with lotions, oils, or fragrances. Gently pat your skin completely dry, never rub. Any moisture can prevent proper adhesive bonding. Follow a regular change schedule as advised by your healthcare professional. Change proactively, not reactively. Never let your pouch get more than 1/3 to 1/2 full. A heavy bag can pull on the adhesive and cause detachment. Release gas buildup by briefly opening the bottom clamp while over a toilet. Many modern pouches have integrated filters for this. Modern pouches feature integrated charcoal filters that neutralize gas as it passes through. With proper care techniques, you can engage in all aspects of your professional life with complete confidence. An ostomy belt provides extra support and peace of mind during physical activity or daily wear. Modern stoma pouches use advanced, multi-layered plastic film that acts as an effective odor barrier. Internal deodorizers come as drops, gels, or tablets that neutralize odor on contact when you empty the bag. Certain foods produce more gas or stronger odor. Pay attention to how your body reacts to onions, garlic, fish, eggs, and cruciferous vegetables. Some foods act as natural deodorizers. Consider adding yogurt, buttermilk, or parsley to help reduce odor intensity. Always place used pouches in sealed disposal bags before putting them in trash. This contains any residual odor effectively. With proper odor management, you can socialize and engage with others without any worries about smell. By following these practical steps, you can take control of your stoma care and feel safe, secure, and ready to engage in all aspects of life. This knowledge and routine will empower you to live your life to the fullest. Like and subscribe for more helpful guides.